morning, good afternoon, good wherever you are in the world. I'm Kalari Cuddles, and today we're going to talk about stuff I got in my Ulta box! So yeah, I had ordered, mostly I had ordered Morphe brushes because I had just recently ordered the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker Palette, and I need new Morphe brushes because I only has two. So I decided I needed some brushes, but they also had this thing where you spend $35, you get free shipping. Your girl didn't want to spend money on shipping, so I bought extra shit. Some stuff I now realize that I probably should have read better because it's not exactly what I thought it was. But that's on me. So I guess we'll show you my mistake. My mistake is I bought a Beauty Blender travel case. I thought I was actually buying the Beauty Blender. That's my fault for not reading. That's on me. But I guess it will also come in handy because I recently traveled and just threw a Beauty Blender in the bag and now it's all mushed and weirdly deformed. So this will probably come in handy. I won't be traveling again anytime soon. I mean, next year in May, I'm going to be going to Germany. So I guess this might do me some good. So this Friday, your girl got to buy another Beauty Blender because hers is jacked. Secondly, I bought Say Yes to Grapefruit, a brightening unicorn face mask. I've never seen this one before. They sell all the Say Yes to brand, you know, like the yes to tomatoes, yes to cucumbers, yes to carrots, yes to coffee, whatever all yes is to. They sell those at Target, but I've never seen a unicorn mask there, so I'm curious what this is. I want to try it out. It says it's shimmering, so I guess we're gonna see if my face glows after this, or shimmers after this, or unicorn poops on my face. I don't know, but we're gonna try it out because I've never seen it at the Target. Then I bought a full coverage liquid concealer from Ulta Beauty in the color Light Cool. So I know my camera's giving light off of it. I'm not unhappy with the concealer that I use currently. It's just, this one's full coverage, mine is not full coverage, so I want to see the difference that there is. So this is just for me to try out. I'm either going to like it or not, so. I then bought a mascara. I bought LA Girl's Oomphd mascara. One, I bought it because I actually do need mascara. I'm running out of my current mascara. I'm not unhappy with the mascara I use. This was just on sale, and I didn't want to wait till Friday when I go shopping, which is tomorrow, to get some mascara. This was on sale, so I was like, why not? That, and I needed $35 worth of stuff so I can get free shipping. So that, and number two reason is I really want to be able to say when people are like, ooh, what mascara are you wearing? I'm like, ooh, I got that Oomphd mascara. So yeah, there it is right there. I also have heard from other like beauty bloggers and stuff like that about LA Girl, nothing bad, so I'm gonna give it a try, see if I like it or not. I then bought a Wet n Wild Get the Skinny Megaslim Skinny Tip eyeliner in black. They're pretty much the eyeliner markers. I have one from Milani, but it is the thick-tipped one. I did buy the smaller tip one, but the cap on that does not stay on very well, so it kept drying out, so I kept buying, you know, I didn't keep buying it. I stopped buying it, and I only buy the big one, which is fine and all, but sometimes, you know, you want a thin line. You don't always want, like, big old panda eyes, you know what I'm saying? And you can't make a thin line with that thick freaking marker tip. So I bought a small one. Hopefully the cap stays on this one and I can get my, as it says up here, laser precision. And then lastly are all my brushes that I got from, well, 4 of them are Morphe and 1 of them is from Essence. The one from Essence is a eyeshadow blender brush that looks like so. We'll take it out of the package if I can. Can I? Am I smart enough to figure this out? Oh, okay, hold on. How do I open you? That looks like so. Nice and fluffy. Hopefully it does the job. It was a little on the cheap end. I know you get what you pay for, but my Morphe brushes that I bought from Ulta before, they were on, I don't want to say cheap end, but they were $3 a piece. That's not expensive. I mean, considering that they had other brushes there that were like $12 a piece. Yeah, so we'll see how this works. This brand is very, very popular in New York. Or not New York. It says it's made in New York. But this brand, Essence, is very popular in Germany. Every time my German relatives come to visit me, they always have Essence makeup. So I'm willing to give it a try because obviously they really like it. Alright, then here are my Morphe brushes. I'm not going to take them out of the package yet because I don't want any chance of them breaking. And by breaking, I mean I have already fucked up the tips of some. So yeah, they're pretty much two of the same, so really it's more like I bought two brushes because really they're just two different ones. So this one right here is the M321, which is the bullet crease brush. I don't think it's gonna not be shiny because it's still in its plastic, but yeah. And this is the M213 smudger brush. There we go. So yeah, these are the brushes that I got to help with my new Jeffree Star palette, which I have already played with yesterday. And let me tell you, that thing is like amazing. I've never seen pigment so pigmented. And I'm an artist, god dang it! And the only thing left in my box is bubble wrap. That was loud. So yeah. There's going to be some videos coming up in the future, some dumb makeup challenges, as well as recreating looks on my eyes that are inspired by Disney characters. So if there's a particular Disney character you would like to see me do on my eyeballs, comment down below. If not, we're going to just hope I do something great. I do know that the first one is going to be inspired by Wreck-It Ralph. I don't know if I'm going to do Ralph or Penelope. It's going to be one of them. Maybe both. I don't know. I don't know yet. But yeah, thanks for watching. Stay cuddly and see you guys in the next adventure. Bye-bye!